Hello everyone, good morning student. Today we will see the OCM subject unit number first, Introduction of Commerce and Business. 1.5 Role of the profit in business. The profit is equal to revenue plus minus total cost. The first of profit in revenue, first returns of inverters. Second, research and development. Third, growth and expansion. Fourth, increase of efficiency. Five, means and livelihood. Six, reward and risk. Six, reputations. Eight, superior. The eighth topic are all profit. First, return and inverters. The people who invest money of the business expect of the fair return of the capital. This is a possible adopted profit and earn of the business. Second, research and development R&D. Adopted profit and enable of the firm spend of the more than R&D. This can lead up the better technology and lower cost innovated a product in benefit of all of the nation. Growth and explanation. Retention of the profit in the internal of sources in fund. The profit can be used of the increase of the value, business thought, expedition, diversification in the partition in the profit in inverse of business and further of development. Fourth, increase of efficiency. Profit facility in the payment of the variation due of the time. It also motivates in the employees working in organization. This final lead increase of the overall efficiency in organization. Means and livelihood. Business earn profit which of their means of the livelihood by earning sufficient profit there can live decent of the standard life for the satisfaction varies of one. Number, reward of risk. The profit in consider as the reward of the assuming survey of business in risk. Profit also of the service protection again. The risk of the cannot be insured. Example, fall in the demand. Observe government of policy and other factors. The last topic, superior. It helps of the business in continue of the exit in the market. If the business does not make enough profit, it will not to superior in the growing competitive environment. Profit and means superior competitive environment. The second topic, classification of business activities. 1.6, classification. of business activities. The first activity is business. First, industry. Second, commerce. The industries means other factors. Primary industries, secondary industries, third, territory, industries. The commerce in the two trades. First, trade, auxiliary of trade. Auxiliary trade. The trade of part of two. Home trade. Second, foreign trade. Foreign trade. The first industry is agriculture. Genetic and extractive. Secondary industrial, manufacturing. Second, construction. The auxiliary in transport, warehouse, insurance, banking, advertising, mercantile agents and commission. The home trade, wholesale and retail. Foreign trade, import, export and export of the re-export. The territorial industrial, transport, banking, hotel, tourism and entertainments. Today we will see the classification of business activities. Tomorrow in the last topic in the industrialization. Thank you so much.